will now invite
I, for one, am still living in a state of denial. And this morning, I was just telling myself that until I see their mortal remains well dressed and placed in their caskets, to convince myself that they are no more, I'm still thinking that maybe they got lost in the forest and we should just go looking for them. Because I spoke to him 3 days today.
We pray that God will touch their families. We pray that God will touch their mothers, their fathers, their wives, their children. It's a sad day to Ghana. And I will say that galamsey, this gentleman passed away because we were going to perform national assignment. And this, their untimely death, caught up with them. I want the country to use this opportunity to totally eradicate, eliminate galamsey.
Dr. Mahama is like a father to me, a friend to me, a family member. I mean, I don't know what to say. He's everything to me. I'm a gospel musician. And then when we are organizing programs like this, like National Believers Thanksgiving, National Believers All Night, we need a support. He always been there to me.
May we now invite the chairman of the Council of States to also lay a red place.
And then I called him last 4 days, and he told me he's going to travel. But when he come back, he will call me to come and see him at his place. I said, okay, no problem. Yesterday, around 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, and then I heard the news that this thing that happened. Very, very painful. Very, very sad. Very, very sad. I didn't think that something like this will happen to my brother.